Oh? Oh, yeah. Tour de Pizza. An F-mod. Hello everyone, what's up, 1199 here, bringing you my Let's Play of Pizza Tower. I'm very excited to be doing this. As it was stated in Yume Nikki, when I was first playing this game, I adore this game, as you can see by my 101% save files for Pepino, and my 101% save file for The Noise. Today, it's gonna be a real quick video. We're just gonna finish the game. This game is actually not super long. If you know what you're doing, that is. This game is actually like, I don't know, maybe like 5 minutes, if you know what you're doing. So, hey, let's do this. Let's beat Pizza Tower! Oh god. I decided to play the Noise update for this one because, well, I need to finish the Noise update pretty quickly. So here's the Noise! The Noise is very, very fun, very, very quick. Instead of running along walls like Pepino, he bounces off of them. You can keep your momentum by spinning. It's super cool. Ooh. But let's run through the tutorial really quick. Even though I really don't need to because I'm so good at this game. And boom. Just like that, all Lab 2 portals unlocked. I am so good at Pizza Tower. You know what else I'm really good at? I'm really good at getting out of here! Alright, yeah, we did it! Pizza Tower is done! We've beaten the game! So how do we feel about Pizza Tower? Because personally, I'm a big fan of it. Oh yeah, I broke him pretty bad, huh? Oh well. Alright, cool. So anyways, that was the game. It was awesome. Yeah! Awesome! We did it! So let's go. Wow, I did it! Let's go check out my 100% save file. Because now we should have a new outfit. There it is! Yes! Oh, what a joyous day! Also, I'm just gonna turn on my per save timer, because as you can see, I've been playing this for 15 hours, and I already have 101%. But yeah, that was Pizza Tower, guys. How do you feel? Okay. I know what's about to happen. Well, let's talk about projects. Because clearly, this is not a full playthrough. This is clearly just me making something to fill the gaps. I'm gonna be honest. The past few months have mainly been me taking me time. Because, A, I haven't really been liking how LP5 has been going. So I might, swap some plans around. But I have ideas for it. And I'm very excited to be working on them. I think I'm mainly going to be sticking to shorter stuff. Longer stuff will be streamed, and they'll be turned into highlights for the channel. I think that's a fair compromise. I like to think that's a fair compromise anyway. Content creation is not something that I intend to be a job. Content creation is just something I like to do. I have a lot of fun doing it. And yes, I did make a tuber. Basically just for this. Aren't I great? Oh, but yes. Things are being worked on. In fact, right now I am editing another delay-based shenanigans that I have been working on with a couple friends for a couple days now. So I hope you tune in for that and subscribe and like Twitch to get this into your friends. I'm Lavender. And hey, maybe one day we'll actually do a Let's Play of Pizza Tower. I actually kind of want to do that. But I just wanted to show off this stupid thing that I had an idea for. Alright, subscribe and like Twitch to get this into your friends. I'm Lavender, and I'll see all you guys in the next video. Peace! Bye-bye! So when's the stick up there? When's Snick?